Hey, Letha.
Hi, Brett. How are you?
I'm doing great.
It's been a long time since I've seen you.
Well, I've been gone a lot. I've been at the Bernina University. I've been at the Global Sewing Summit, along with a special Janome meeting, and I got to see the new 2027 sewing machines coming out this fall.
I'm very excited. There's lots of new ones. But we have a problem.
What's the problem?
I don't have room.
Well, I know.
So what are we going to do?
Well,
How are we going to fix this?
Well, this is why August is our floor model sale. The floor model sale is going on now, and it's for the month of August. Now, what we're going to do is we take our already low prices that we have, as you know, at Montavilla, and then for all floor models, you're going to save an extra 10%.
On any floor model?
Well, any 2026 floor model.
Okay.
So there are some 2027 floor models where no savings on those.
Okay, because you know, there's some really pretty new ones.
I know there is. I know. Those don't count.
Okay. All right. So 2026 floor models.
That was just most of our floor models.
Right. It is the majority of them.
Yeah, you're right.
I agree.
And you're going to get the new warranties. Just like you're buying a brand new machine, you get a warranty.
So, Brett, what you're seeing is right now, our sale is an extra 10% off our floor model when they come into the stores.
Yes. Come into the store today and get a discount on our floor models.
Okay.
So August is the time to come in and get that. Get that now through the month of August. And we'll hope to see you then.
Thanks.